Good day, everyone. I hope all is well with all of you. This video is to explain what you're going to do for Quarter 1, Week 2, Module 2 in our subject Reading and Writing Skills. It's titled Understanding Text and Its Properties. Here's the most essential learning competency. A. Evaluate research based on its properties. 1. Organization. 2. Coherence and cohesion. After this lesson, you're expected to be able to evaluate research based on its properties. You're going to evaluate, you're going to assess. Through 1. Organization. 2. Coherence and cohesion. So what are they? So we had lesson 2 already from module 1. This time we have lesson 3 titled Written Text Based on Its Properties. At the end of our lesson, you would be able to evaluate research based on its properties. For number 1, we have the organization. Please answer pretest. Pretest has 5 test items. So you just have to write true if the statement is correct, and if it is false, change the underlined word in each item to make the statement correct. So I'd like to see true, the word true, and the word that you use to change the underlined word from the given sentence. Looking back to your lesson is a review. Letter B, let's see how far you will go. Just fill in the KWL chart as you go along with the topic. KWL is know, for K, want to know, for W, and learn for L. You have to answer the first 2 columns based on what you have known in the previous lesson. And write also the things you would want to know in this topic, and the last will be answered as you finalize your thoughts and understanding towards the lesson. So it's very important that you read lessons 1 and 2 before you answer module 2, lesson 3. How many sentences will you put here? Okay, there is no limit. You just have to write the things based on what you know. For the brief introduction, this explains what is a text organization. Kindly read this. Read the discussion. Okay, the kinds of text organization we have: 1. Physical format. 2. Signal words. 3. Structure. Answer activity 1. Let's try. Identify whether the statement in each item below denotes a text organization. Write PF if it is physical format, SW if it is signal word, and S if it is structure. Write your answer on the blank provided for. If you're going to use Word file, you just have to write the number and type PF or SW or S beside the number. Please have it in a separate sheet. To those who answer in module, you may write on the blank provided. So you're just going to write there PF, SW, and S for activity 1. Activity 2, heighten your knowledge. Fill in the word network, either a phrase or a word that sustain your understanding of the lesson. It may be a phrase or a word. You may have this on a separate sheet. Remember, text structure refers to how the information within a written text is organized. This strategy helps students understand that a text might present a main idea and details, a cause and then its effects and or different views of a topic. Okay, next is check your understanding. From your answer in the word network, make your own concept based on how you grasped, understood the lesson. Okay, please remember to put a title for your answer. Like in this case, we have after activity 2. After activity 2, we have another activity, but of a different part in the module. So first is the set of activities, and then you write there check your understanding before you write your answers so that I would know where your answers belong. Okay, so activity 1, activity 2, check your understanding. Okay, if you're going to use a separate sheet for your answers, please don't forget that, and don't forget your name if you are submitting your module, because mostly there are no names. So I have to look for similar penmanships if that's your work. I still have to go back to old works for me to identify whose work is that. And here is the post test for lesson 3. Okay, so you write there post test A. Okay, and just write your answer. Let's go to lesson 4. The title is Arrangement of Details. Expectation: at the end of our lesson, you would be able to evaluate research based on its properties. 2. Coherence and cohesion. 2.1 Arrangement of details according to 2.1.1 Chronological order. 2.1.2 Spatial order. 2.1.3 Emphatic order. So basically, if you have this video, even without your module, you can make your output for module 2 and for the other modules. Please answer pre-test. Directions. Letter A. Match column A with column B. Write the letter of your answer on the blank provided before the number. In this case, if you're going to answer on a separate sheet, please write your answer and write the letter of the correct answer beside the number. Looking back to your lesson, letter B, activate your schema. Schema means our background knowledge. These are the information we know. These are what we know, things we know about a certain topic or about a certain concept. You're going to fill in the middle boxes with ideas you learned from the previous lesson, and on the third box, formulate a concept based on your insights cascaded in the middle boxes. So, sa middle box, yung mga ideas na natutunan na ninyo mula sa mga lessons nyo in the past. Okay, so from there, mag-formulate kayo ng concept. Ilalagay nyo sa third box. Okay, ano yung mga dapat na phrases or words na nandito? Syempre, yung mga lessons in the past. Okay, so sa third box naman, when you say formulate, gagawa kayo from there. Okay? Bubuo kayo mula dun sa second boxes na sagot ninyo. Okay, anong konsepto ang nabuo ninyo mula dun sa mga natutunan ninyo na nilagay ninyo sa middle boxes? If you have any question about this, please message me. Okay, that's activating your schema. Here's the brief introduction on what cohesion and coherence, what cohesion is, and what coherence is. Okay, discussion. We have the arrangement of details according to chronological order, spatial order, and emphatic order. What are they? So please read and understand what chronological, spatial order, and emphatic order is. For the activities, answer activity 1. Write your own sentence using the arrangement of details below. Chronological order, spatial order, and emphatic order. Okay, so here, sarili nyong sentence ang ilalagay ninyo. These sentences are arranged according to the following arrangement. Okay, so you have to understand how to arrange chronologically, how to arrange details following the spatial order, and how to arrange details following the emphatic order. For activity 2, compose at least 4 to 5 sentences using any of the given arrangement of details. Make sure to include accurate information in your composition. So, the sentences you will be giving are accurate information. Check your understanding. Answer the following prompts below to gauge your understanding of the lesson. You just have to complete these phrases to create a sentence. Today I learned that, for example, I learned that details should be arranged according to the types of arrangement, text arrangement. Okay, just an example. I am confused on the area of blank. Next time I will blank. Please answer a post test with 5 items, modified true or false. So I would like to see the word true and the word or phrase that you used to change the underlined word from the given sentences. Please answer reflective learning sheet and please answer them in English. You can have one sentence, one complete sentence for each reflective learning sheet. What were your thoughts or ideas about the features of effective communication prior to the discussion of this lesson? What new or additional ideas did you learn after taking up this lesson? I learned that. Okay, please complete. That's it. If you have any question on Module 2, kindly message in the messenger in our group chat. Thank you very much and keep safe, everyone.